Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.2, question number 3. First I am going to read the question. You have to listen carefully, children. A man standing outside his house, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a window, are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the height of the man is 180 centimeter and if he is 5 meter away from the wall, what is the height of the window? 2, 3 equal to 1.732 is given. So you want to use it. Right, children? First I am going to draw the geometric figure. Right? The word problem you are going to represent it in the geometrical representation. Then only you can easily solve. Right? Now, see here, a man is standing. This is your A, B. Then you have to connect with the wall. Right? Here is your window. Right? This is the top of the window. This is the bottom of the window. Right? Say yes or no, children. Now, the eye contact is here. A man is standing. So, the top of the window and the bottom of the window. Right? C. Then you have to connect the base to the wall. Here D, E, F. Right? What is the angle of elevation first? That is 60 degree. This is your 45 degree. Right? Top is 60 degree. Bottom is 45 degree. EF is your window. Right? Height of the window. Now I am going to explain the diagram. Let AB be the height of the man. AB be the height of the man. Now, EF be the height of the window. Right? Be the height of the window. A man is away from the wall. How much it is given? 5 meter. Right? A man is away from the wall is 5 meter. This is 180 centimeter. Height of the man is 180 centimeter. Now AD. Right? AD is the, say yes or no, AD. AD is the distance between the observer and the house. AD is the distance between the observer and the house. What is, children? Observer and the house. Now, in right triangle ADE, I told you the trigonometry function, the tan only is very much useful to find the distance, height and all. Right? Sometimes sine and cos will help you. Right? Now, in triangle ADE, right triangle, Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to, what is that? Tan 45 degree equal to DE divided by AD. DE divided by AD. 1 equal to DE divided by 5, because they said the distance between the observer and the wall is 5 meter. So which implies DE equal to 5. DE equal to 5 meter. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now, in triangle, what? In triangle ADF, right? In triangle ADF, they are expecting only height of the window, right? So we want to see only that. In triangle ADF, this is also a right triangle. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to, what is that? Tan 60 degree equal to FD divided by, right? DF divided by AD. What is DF? DF is nothing but DE plus EF divided by 5. What is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is equivalent to what? Root 3. Root 3, then use 5 and multiply. 5 root 3 equal to 5 plus EF. 5 plus EF. 5 root 3 minus 5 equal to EF. Then what is your EF? EF equal to 5 into root 3 minus 1. The value of root 3 is given to you. So, which is equal to 5 into 1.732 minus 1. 5 into 0.732. Now you have to multiply, which is equal to 10 remaining 1, 5 3s are 15, 16 remaining 1, 35, 36. That means 0.660. Height of the window equal to height of the window equal to 3.660 meter, right? That can be written as 3.66 meter. Got it, children? Once again I will explain, you listen. A window is fixed on the wall, right? Say yes or no. Now EF is your window. This is your window. CF is a wall. So the bottom of the window, it makes an angle 45 degree. The top of the window, it makes an angle 60 degree from the observer to that point, right? Then you took in triangle ADE, that is a right triangle. Tan 45 degree equal to DE divided by AD. A man is away from the wall. His 5 meter is given. So AD can be replaced by 5. DE equal to 5 meter. Next you are considering a triangle ADF. Triangle ADF, angle D equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to DF divided by AD. DF is nothing but DE plus EF by 5. Then DE can be replaced by 5. EF equal to 5 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 value is given as 1.732. When you arrive 5 into 0.732, you multiplied, you arrive the result as 3.660. Therefore, height of the window is equal to 3.66 meter. Got it, children? Next, I am going to move to question number 4. What question number 4? A statue 1.6 meter Question number 4, I am going to read. You see, listen carefully. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 40 degree. Right? Find the height of the pedestal. Right? Find the height of the pedestal. Tan 40 degree value is given to you. You have no issue. 2, 3 value is also given. Right? Yes, statue is stand a tall 1.6 meter tall, stands on the top of the pedestal. Right? This is your pedestal. 1 minute, children. This is your pedestal. The statue. Got it? This is your statue. What is the height of this? What is the height of the statue, children? This is your statue. A, B, C. AB is your statue. BC is the BC is the height of the pedestal. Then what is the measurement is given to you? This as 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Got it? Now, from the point, the top of the pedestal, the top of the statue. This is your D. The top of the statue, how much they said? 60 degree. Now you are going to connect. This is your horizontal line, right? 60 degree. Then from the same point, you are going to see the bottom of the statue. That is 40 degree. Right, children? The line alone, I am going to draw it neatly. See? But somehow it is neat, I think, right? 40 degree, that's all. The total problem you are converted into the geometric representation. Now I am going to explain what it is. Let AB be the statue. Of height 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Right? Now, BC is your pedestal. Pedestal means it is a perpendicular line. BC, tower, right? Wall, everything if it comes, it will act as a perpendicular. BC be the pedestal. Now, in triangle BCD, what is the angle BCD? In triangle BCD, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Tan 40 degree equal to, what is that? BC divided by CD. BC divided by CD. Now, CD into tan 40 degree, what it is given in the question? 0.8391 equal to, what is that? BC. What is that? BC. Got it, children? Now, CD equal to, they are expecting find the height of the pedestal, right? Height of the pedestal. BC equal to CD equal to BC divided by 0.8391. Next, in triangle ACD, right? In triangle ACD, tan, that is angle C is equal to 90 degree, tan 60 degree equal to AC divided by DC. AC divided by DC. Got it, children? Now, tan 60 degree, you know, root 3. What is AC? AC is nothing but AB plus BC divided by CD. CD, what value? First of all, we will finish up this, right? Which implies root 3 equal to AB should be replaced by 1.6 plus BC divided by CD. Divided by CD. Got it, children? Now, CD equal to 1.6 plus BC divided by root 3. Now, CD equal to 1.6 plus BC divided by 1.732. Say yes or no. Now, what is CD? Already you arrived one result. CD, already you have received one result, right? Arrived one result. What it is? BC divided by 0.8391. You are going to equate equation number 1. Now at present what you have arrived, that is your equation number 2. From 1 and 2, BC divided by 0.8391, 0.8391 equal to 1.6 plus BC divided by 1.732. Got it? Now 1.732 BC equal to 0.8391 into 1.6 plus BC. Got it, children? Now, the BC you are going to shift to the left side. BC, you have to take it as a common. 1.732 minus 0.8391 equal to 0.8391 into 1.6. Right? Now, when you subtract, what can you get? Have to subtract and see 1.732. You have to put 0 here because here after the decimal 4 numbers are there. 0.8391. When you subtract here 11, then it becomes 2, 9. Then what can you arrive? Here you have to borrow 16, then 8. 0.8929 BC equal to, when you multiply, what can you get? I will multiply and show you. 8, 3, 9, 1, 16. First you have to multiply, afterwards you place the decimal. 6, 54, 5, 18, 23, remaining 2, 48, 50. Next, 1, 9, 3, 8. Got it, children? 6, 5, 2, 4. What it is? 13. Already 4 digit, here 1, 5. So 1.34256. 1.34256. Now BC equal to The answer I will give you. You have to do the division part, right? BC equal to 1.34256 divided by 0.8929, which is equal to what? You have to multiply by 10,000. You will get it as 13425.6 divided by 8929, which is equal to 1.5 meter. What is the height of the pedestal now? Height of the pedestal equal to, sorry children, height of the pedestal equal to 1.5 meter. Got it? Say yes or no? Now, again I'm going to explain. Again I'm going to explain the sum. You have to listen carefully. Right? I will explain again. The question is given as at the top of the pedestal 1.6 meter statue is standing. Right? So yes or no? 1.6. That is your AB. From the ground, you are viewing the statue, the top of the statue. It makes an angle 60 degree. It is given. Bottom of the statue, it makes an angle 40 degree is given. Then I constructed a right triangle. In triangle BCD, tan 40 degree equal to opposite by adjacent, that is BC by CD. 40 degree value is given to you, that is 0.8391. You have to substitute and see CD equal to BC divided by 0.8391. Then triangle ACD, angle C is equal to 90 degree. The same concept, tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. AC can be written as AB plus BC. AB value you know, that is height of the statue, that is 1.6. That you have to substitute. You arrived CD equal to 1.6 plus BC divided by 1.732. You are equating. Then you cross multiply. Then you took BC as common. You subtract, you get it as 0.8929. BC equal to 1.34256. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10,000. So you arrived 13,425.6 divided by 8,929. When you divide, you arrive the result as 1.5 meter. Therefore, height of the pedestal equal to 1.5 meter. Now I am going to move to question number 6. Right. The top of the 15 meter high tower. Right. Top of the 15 meter high tower. So this is your tower. Right children. This is your tower. 15 meter. Got it? Now, makes an angle of elevation is 60 degree with the bottom of the electronical pole. This is your pole, electronical pole, right? A, B is the height of the tower. C, D is the electronical pole. You are seeing from the top of the, from the tower makes an angle of elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of the electronical pole. That means you are going to connect D to A. Got it? Now you have to connect the base line horizontal. This also you have to draw a perpendicular line towards your tower. Right? A, B, C, D, E. Got it? Bottom it makes an angle 60 degree is given to you, then the angle of elevation of 30 degree with the top of the electronical pole. Right? How much angle it is given? 30 degree. This is also a perpendicular and this is also a perpendicular. Right? CD is the electronical pole. Question number 6. The word problem we are represented in the diagram. Let AB be the height of the tower. AB be the height of the tower. CD be the height of the electronic pole. CD be the height of the electronic pole. Height of the be the height of electronic pole. ELECTRONIC electronic pole. Right? Now, in triangle, which triangle you are going to consider first? In triangle A, B, D, angle B equal to 90 degree, tan 60 degree equal to AB divided by BD. AB divided by BD. What is AB? The height of the tower. What it is given? 15. So, root 3 equal to 15 divided by BD. Now, BD equal to 15 divided by root 3. Got it, children? Next, in triangle CEA, in triangle CEA, angle E equal to 90 degree, tan, what angle they said? 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to AE divided by CE. Tan 30 degree, what value? 1 by root 3 equal to AE divided by CE. What is your AE, children? Any idea about that? Any idea? Yeah? AE. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3 AE by CE. What is your AE? How can you express 1 by root 3 equal to AB minus what? Minus what? BE. Am I right, children? You have to see the diagram, then only it is easy for you. Right? AE, AB minus BE, right? AE is nothing but AB minus EB divided by, what it is? Divided by CE, divided by CE. Got it? Now, AB, you know it is 15, which implies 1 by root 3 equal to 15 minus BE divided by CE. One thing you have to see the diagram, the basement, it represents your rectangle. So, opposite sides are equal. CE equal to BD. CD equal to BD, then CD equal to BE. Am I right, children? You have to go through the figure, then only it is easy to you. CE equal to BD, CD equal to BE because it represents rectangle or square, whatever it is, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, CE equal to root 3 into 15 minus BE. 15 minus BE. This is your equation number 2. Already we arrived one equation. That is equation number 1. BD equal to, BD is nothing but CE. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what is your result? 15 divided by root 3 equal to root 3 into 15 minus BE. What is, children? Now 15 equal to root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 15 minus 3 into BE. 15 minus 45 equal to minus 3BE. Now minus 30 equal to minus 30 equal to minus 3BE. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So what is your BE? BE equal to 10 meter. BE equal to 10 meter. But we need height of the electronic pole. BE is equal to CD, right? CD is your electronic pole. So height of the electronic pole, height of electronic pole equal to 10 meter because BE equal to CD. BE, since BE equal to CD. CD is your high electronic pole, right? Once again, I am going to explain. You have to listen carefully, children. They said the tower is there. Opposite to the tower is one electronic pole. That is your CD. AB is the tower. The top of the electronic pole to the tower is 30-degree angle of elevation. The bottom of the electronic pole to the tower is 60-degree. It is given to you. Height of the tower is mentioned as 15 meter. Got it? Say yes or no. Now, sorry, I'm scribbling, right? In triangle ABD, angle B equal to 90-degree, tan 60-degree equal to AB by BD. AB is given as 15, so BD equal to 15 by root 3. The basement is equivalent to the rectangle, so the opposite sides are equal. It shows that it is a rectangle, right? CEA equal to, that is in triangle CEA, angle E equal to 90-degree, tan 30-degree equal to AE by CE. 1 by root 3 equal to AE by CE. AE can be written as AB minus BE. So 15 minus BE by CE, you have to cross multiply. CE equal to BD. So you are equating equation 1 and 2. You arrived the result as BE equal to 10 meter. BE is equivalent to CD. CD is nothing but height of the electronic pole. Therefore, the height of the electronic pole is equal to 10 meter. Got it, children? BD we got it as what? Already BD. I'll show you the equation number. BD equal to 15 root 3. BD is equivalent to what we wrote? BD equal to CE. BE equal to CD. The base, it represents a rectangle or square you can take, but opposite sides are equal. That concept I applied here. BD equal to, sorry, now, 1 minute. BD equal to 1 minute, children. Sorry for that. B CD equal to BE, BD equal to CE. Opposite sides are equal. BD equal to CE. CD equal to BE. That concept I applied and I found the height of the electronical mode. Got it, children? You have to go through. If you didn't understand, you should ask me. I will explain. Right? Thank you, children. I will continue tomorrow.